Here I'm going to show you how I tried to log in and it didn't work. So this is the screenshot of the email. And on the right hand side, so I copy and paste the KVM3, right? And this is login, right? So the username gonna be client and the password gonna be 9943, right? So let me do a copy and paste. Copy and paste, then login. You see, this is the authentication failed. So in case it's the cache, so let me try new incognito, right? Let's try this kvm3.lex, yeah, quadrant.com. Continue to site, and the username is client, and so the password. So let me try to copy and paste again so that you see it's the right password. Copy, paste as a plain text, login. Authentication failed. So please help.